Welcome, souls drawn by fate. If you're watching, the cosmos aligned this message just for you. Today is February 17th, 2026, the new moon in Aquarius, a powerful solar eclipse at 0% illumination. This is total reset energy, fresh starts, sudden revelations, breaking free from old chains. Aquarius rules detachment, innovation, and electric surprises. Eclipses supercharge everything. Hidden feelings explode into the open. For love, this sky screams obsession resurfacing, unspoken urges breaking through silence. No random timing. If thoughts of your ex keep hitting you hard, the cards confirm. Obsession is building on their end, and contact is close. Breathe in deeply. Ground yourself. The question, is your ex obsessed again? Will a text come in the next 4 days? What shocking signs prove it? Deck shuffled with pure focus on their energy. Thoughts, feelings, timeline. 5 cards drawn. Their past pull to you. Current obsession level, hidden trigger, incoming action, outcome, and signs. First card, past pull. The devil, intense bondage here. In the past, the connection was addictive. Passion, power play, can't let go vibes. They felt chained to you in the best and worst ways. Obsession wasn't casual, it was deep, almost compulsive. Even after parting, that chain lingered. Under this eclipse new moon, old attachments snap or tighten dramatically. The devil shows what they tried to escape is now pulling harder. Unfinished desire from back then fuels today's fire. Second card, current obsession level. Queen of Cups reversed. Emotional overflow turned inward. They're drowning in feelings they won't admit openly. The Queen reversed means blocked intuition, moodiness, secret longing. They're replaying memories, feeling jealous or possessive without cause. Aquarius energy adds detachment on the surface, acting cool, but inside, waves crash. Obsession shows in private, stalking profiles, rereading old chats, imagining scenarios. This isn't mild, it's consuming. Eclipse amplifies hidden water energy into breakthrough. Third card, hidden trigger. 8 of Swords. Trapped mindset. They feel stuck in their own head, self-imposed limits, fear of vulnerability, but the swords are illusion. They can walk away anytime. The trigger? Realizing freedom without you feels empty. Eclipse in Aquarius shatters mental prisons. Sudden clarity hits. I need them back. This card screams internal struggle, peaking now. The obsession spikes because staying silent hurts more than reaching out. The cage is cracking. Fourth card, incoming action, Ace of Wands. Spark of passion ignites. This ace brings new beginnings, fiery inspiration, bold moves. In 4 days or less, expect impulsive outreach. A text, voice note, or DM full of heat. Hey, can't stop thinking about you, or something direct. Wands energy is fast and creative. Aquarius adds quirky flair, maybe a meme or song link that screams, "This is us." It's not planned. It's spontaneous urge they can't ignore. The ace promises action from inspiration. Contact is incoming hot. Fifth card, outcome and signs. The moon. Illusion, intuition, subconscious truths. This major arcana says things aren't fully clear yet. Deception or hidden motives possible. But under eclipse, secrets surface. Outcome, obsession leads to contact, but test authenticity. Signs will flood in, vivid dreams of them. Their name everywhere. Gut hits strong. The moon warns. Trust intuition over words. If real, it deepens. If not, it fades. Eclipse resets. What emerges is truth. Tying it together, past addiction, the devil fuels current emotional storm. Queen of Cups reversed. Mental trap breaks. 8 of Swords. Sparking bold move, Ace of Wands. Mystery lingers, the moon, but signs scream obsession. New moon solar eclipse in Aquarius clears fog for sudden electric reconnection. 4 days feels electric, watch closely. Shocking signs your ex is obsessed again. Random urges to check their socials hit you too. Their songs or shared memories pop up everywhere. You feel unexplained anxiety or excitement. Repeating numbers like 444 or 1111 appear. Dreams turn intense and romantic. Claim if it resonates. Universe doesn't tease without purpose. Affirmation. I attract truth effortlessly. Obsession transforms into aligned action. What belongs flows to me in divine timing. So it is. If this hit deep, like, subscribe, notifications on. Comment, 4 days to claim the text. Share zodiac or details below. Next reading could be yours. Love, twists, money flows, career jumps. Request it. Thank you for tuning in. Stay open. Eclipse magic is working.